Hi, my name is Sam Toba, product marketing for Touch Products. What we have here is an interesting demo. It's a novel use of capacitive sensing. So normally capacitive sensing is for phones and touch screens, but there are other use cases for touch sensors. One of the interesting ones that is a concept, but we can detect the cloth type. We have three types of cloths here, fabrics, and it's a more of a IoT type of use case where someone wants to detect the fabric type. Imagine you're in a factory making clothes, for example. So let's take a look at this one. So it detected this fabric here. So the machine will know what to do with this one specifically. Let's try this one. It detected a different type of fabric here. Let's take a look at this leather here. And it detected that leather. So it's a different kind of use case, novel use case of touch. We can do a lot of things with touch.
Is it because it's very sensitive touch? It can go through materials?
Yeah, it's very sensitive. We can detect the different characteristics of the touch. We can detect the different signal strengths of the touch.
All right, and it just knows this is what happened.
Yeah, in this particular demo, we pre-programmed it to detect this characteristic, or this characteristic, or this characteristic.
Can you expand a bit on the use cases? What could potentially be?
Yeah, the
is it
use case would
potentially
be
like
at
wearing
a factory,
gloves?
for example, imagine a clothing factory where they need to make fine adjustments to the sewing machine, for example. We actually did this demo for a manufacturer that makes such equipment. So they wanted to detect the different types of cloths or fabrics coming into the machine. So that's what this does.
Customize this to screen size.